What's up guys, this is Jordan Tan, your favorite neighborhood bartender again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a classic cocktail, Whisky Sour. By the way, happy Halloween! Okay, the ingredient will be whiskey, freshly squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, egg white, 1. Okay, so let me show you guys. As usual, we will go through with the cheapest ingredient. 25 ml of lemon juice should do the trick. 25 ml of simple syrup. Okay. Next, the entire egg white. No kidding. $50 ml of whiskey. Next, we need to give it a dry shake. Okay, what we meant by dry shake is that shake without ice. Okay, do be careful because there's no ice in it, so it might spill. Yes, but nevertheless, we still need to give it a dry shake. Okay, because we need to ensure the egg white is already pre-mixed with the ingredient. Wow, whiskey smells great. Next, as usual, 3 boilerful of ice for a wet shake. Okay. There goes nothing. Okay. Cook glass, strainer, strain it. Okay. You will notice that the egg white actually create a foam on top of the cocktail. Ensure that the entire foam is really pour onto cooked glass. Garnish it either with a whale or a lemon wedge. This time round, a whale. Just for your info, if you let the cocktail settle for a few more seconds, the foam on top will be formed even better. Toast and happy Halloween.